You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases. Very useful, very common phrase used in Spanish to say see you later. And it's also sometimes just to say bye, essentially. Sometimes you just use it when you leave somebody. Hasta luego. Hasta, the H is silent in Spanish, so do not worry about pronouncing it. Hasta luego. Luego is later. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. That's the Spanish pronunciation. It's also used in Mexico, South America. Hasta luego. If you want to learn more Spanish, here are videos for you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.